If you're dreaming of pillowy soft sourdough dinner rolls, then this recipe is for you. These rolls are perfect for your holiday meal, for filling with pulled pork, or for using as a breakfast sandwich, or just to serve with a roast dinner. Alright, let me show you how to make them.
In the bowl of a stand mixer, place 3/4 cup warm milk, 3½ cups of organic all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of active sourdough starter. An active starter is one that's been fed 8 to 12 hours previously and has doubled and is bubbly and passes the float test. Add 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1/4 cup of raw honey, 1 large egg, and 1½ teaspoons unrefined sea salt. Knead using a stand mixer on medium-low until the dough is quite elastic, about 10 to 15 minutes. You want the dough to be soft but still elastic. Transfer the dough to a large buttered bowl, cover, and allow to rise at room temperature for 8 to 12 hours or until doubled in bulk. Now it's time to shape the rolls. If you're a perfectionist, you can weigh the dough to determine how much each one should weigh. Take the total weight and divide it by the number of rolls you want to make. For 15 rolls, that worked out to about 65 to 70 grams per roll for me. To form the rolls, grab the corners and pull them towards the middle. Then flip the roll over, seam side down, cup your hands around it, and roll it across your work surface, creating surface tension. Repeat with the remaining rolls. Arrange the rolls evenly in a buttered 13 by 9 inch baking pan. I like to do 5 across and 3 down, but do whatever works for you. Cover the pan and allow to rise at room temperature for 6 to 8 hours or until the rolls are quite puffy and fill the pan. Bake in a 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Brush the tops of the rolls with melted butter if desired.
So that's how to make my sourdough pull-apart rolls. Thanks for watching.